I have this book which has got some words that I'm going to be practicing from. I'm going to try and increase my grammar now that I know how to write the beginning, the middle, and the end of letters. And it's now time to put all that together. So I've got this book. It's a book one, Medina Arabic book series, but I'm not promoting any particular book. But any book that you find that's good recommendation, you can use it to write. So in this first lesson, there's this word here, hada, and I found out that it means this is. And Beit is a house, so this is a house. Yes, so this is what this lesson is all about and all it covers. So I'm going to be writing the sentences, these ones. I'm going to copy them into my notebook. So I'm going to start with the first one, this one. And her, we did that in a previous video. And what it looks like in the beginning, the middle, and the end. And this is ba, the beginning, ya in the middle, and ta. And don't forget your dots because they're very important. It tells you which letter you are writing. It's the ba. The ya has got a sukoon, and the ta has got domatain. Okay. Okay, hada. It's a meme in the beginning. Seen. Writing the letters, it gives you practice. It's just good practice to write the alphabet and the words and to put together everything that we've learned, like the fathas, we've learned about that, the sukoon, I did a video about that, and the domatain. Yeah, and then I'll just carry on with that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.